Welcome to the Peachtree Plaza. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do. I'll be staying for 2 or 3 days.
What is your name?
Alex Smith.
Are you here for business or pleasure?
Could you please speak more slowly?
Is this a business trip or just a vacation?
Both, actually. My uncle died recently in Atlanta. I've come to take care of his estate.
I'm sorry for your loss. We'll make your stay here as worry-free as possible.
Thank you.
We have room 758 reserved for you. Will you be paying with cash or a credit card?
A credit card. Here it is. What's the rate?
$129 per night. There's also a complimentary continental breakfast. I need to make an imprint of your credit card.
How do I get to my room?
Take the elevator on the right to the 7th floor and turn to your left after you exit the elevator. The room will be on your right. A bellman will bring up your bags.